Hello everybody, welcome once again to Bell CB. We have a Cobra 29LX doing a tune-up report today for Cody in Indiana. Okay, Cody got the Mosfet modifications of the radio, so we're going to do a, there's no variable power, so let's just take it off here. So we're going to take it up here to 10 watts on the top scale. Coming about 6.5 there. And antenna number. Okay. 50 watts lag. Middle scale. This one here. Audio. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio. Okay, well, let me hear that for a minute. I'll turn the volume up. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. That's what it sounds like. Okay, let's pop it on the air real quick. A bunch of noise. Hey, Breaker 19 for a radio check.
Driver, you're loud and clear.
10-4 right back at you. Thank you very much. Have a fun one.